Hello YouTube, this is a shout out to Rex Wu for his video about your dishwasher not draining. Well, this is my mother-in-law's dishwasher, and she does have a garbage disposal that somebody else put in, and it's a Badger. And I saw his video about the little plug that goes to the dishwasher drain, which that came on fine and drained into the bucket, but it would not go through the garbage disposal. So I looked in the little hole and this is what I found. Little plastic knockout was still attached, so I just banged on it, knocked it through with a screwdriver and pulled it out. So thanks, man, that did it.